Hi, my name is Thomas. I'm working for SILIKA on project number 2. Project number 2 is about a feeding network of PUF reflectors. PUF stands for phased array FET reflectors. And to understand my research problem, you have to understand the difference between phased array and PUF reflectors. In case of a phased array, you have an incident wave that is received by all antenna elements. While if you use a reflector, the incident wave is reflected by the reflector towards the antenna elements and then only received by a certain amount of antenna elements. So for this, I have simulated a phased array 4 times 60 antenna elements, once for a phased array. As you can see, each antenna element receives a certain signal, while in case of using a reflector, only certain antenna elements receives the signal. That means you do not need all antenna elements to process your signal. And that gives you the advantage of having new feeding structures that you could not have used in phased array, and that's what I'm researching on. And to show that the entire thing will work and can be used in 5G, I'm working close together with 5G Step Forward. They are working on radio over fiber, so the idea of bringing down the technology that is usually used on a base station on a central system. And this is then distributed via fiber cables towards the base station. And there the solution of SILIKA takes place, the phased array FET reflector. And to do so, we are preparing at the moment a test system that is fed by the 5G Step Forward system, is then converted to the electrical domain by photodiodes, and then switched to the certain subarrays by a feeding network. And for the entire system, we're using at the moment a double reflector that's available at TU Eindhoven, but in the future we're going to develop our own reflector and to enhance that for ± 30 degrees scan angle. So if you're interested in that topic, just follow me on our web page. Thank you for your attention.